Fire water balloon experiment. Can you really burn a balloon without popping it? Balloons are rather fragile things. You know that they must be kept away from sharp objects. They also need to be kept away from flames. A fire can weaken the rubber and cause it to burst. However, in this experiment, you will find out how you can hold a balloon directly in a flame without breaking the balloon. For this experiment, you will need 2 round balloons, one with water inside, several matches, and a candle. Let us proceed. Light the candle and place it in the middle of the table. Hold the balloon a foot or 2 over the top of the flame and slowly move the balloon closer and closer to the flame until it pops. You'll notice that the flame doesn't have to even touch the balloon before the heat melts the latex and it pops. Let's just say you had to prove what you already know. Let's repeat the experiment, but this time we will have the balloon with water inside. Same procedure. Slowly allow the balloon with water closer to the flame. Everyone knows that it's going to pop, but for some reason it doesn't. Allow the flame to touch the bottom of the balloon and it still doesn't pop. Remove the balloon from the heat and carefully examine the soot on the bottom. Yes, see? There's a black patch of soot formed on the outside of it above the flame, and the balloon didn't pop. The water kept the balloon from popping. How does it work? Water is a great substance for soaking up heat. The thin balloon allows the heat to pass through very quickly and warm the water. As the water closest to the flame heats up, it begins to rise and cooler the water replaces it at the bottom of the balloon. This cooler water then soaks up more heat and the process repeats itself. In fact, the exchange of water happens so often that it keeps the balloon from ever popping. The soot on the bottom of the balloon is actually carbon. The carbon was deposited on the balloon by the flame, and the balloon remains undamaged. Using water to control heat is a valuable process.